Hello! In this video, I'll show you the easiest and fastest way to hide the taskbar on Windows 10. Let's dive in! The first step is right button click at the taskbar and then click on Taskbar Settings. Now just select the options Always Hide Taskbar in Desktop Mode and Always Hide in Tablet Mode. And that's it, you have successfully hidden your taskbar. Also, it is possible from this configuration page to change the orientation or location of the taskbar in your desktop. It can be left, top, right, or bottom, as it was. Pretty simple, isn't it? For more useful tips on how to use Windows, check this playlist.